Okay, so at the moment we're on a double-decker bus with the Freestyle Football Federation and the World Tour. So we've got the top 16 freestylers in the world. They're currently in London to perform on stage at the O2 at the Indigo. At the moment I've got my son here, Leo, and Leo's going to be kind of observing and watching. I'll take you on the World Tour, I think. Can you take me as well? The aim of it is to get some documentary footage and some insane skill footage for the SDR Skill and School channel. Over the last year I've been making some freestyle videos, and there's been some really insane videos. Andrew Henderson, who's on the World Tour, was one of my first big videos that we made. Since then I've made a lot of freestyle videos in LA, Brazil, but the channel now is one of the biggest football channels in the world. You have to see it to believe it. It's insane. Charlie from Argentina, Pedrinho from Brazil. If you want to see some videos that are featuring the top freestylers such as PWG and Pedrinho, we've got some profile videos on them. If you want to see more of the event, the F3 World Tour, and maybe who won the final and who's progressed to have more points, then just click on the video that's up here and that will take you straight to that channel. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video if you enjoy this type of content, and comment below what you want to see next. There are definitely some football tutorials coming soon, so look out for them.